Let me show you how we can enter and exit the download mode on POCO C85. So in order to enter the download mode, first we need to turn off our phone. So I'm going to use the power button and volume up button at the same time so that we can open the power menu. And of course we want to move this white circle up to power off option. And we need to wait a couple of seconds to let the phone completely turn off. Once that happens, you want to press and hold the power button and volume up button. And once you see the POCO logo, or once you feel the vibration as the phone turns on, you want to hold the volume up only. And you want to keep holding it until you go to the recovery mode, because first we will see the recovery mode. So let's do so. We're gonna press and hold both of these buttons, power button and volume up. And then once you feel the vibration, just hold volume up. Or once you see the POCO text, of course. And now just keep holding volume up. And there we go. Now we are on the recovery mode, in the recovery mode over here. In this menu, we navigate by using volume buttons. So this is how we can change the selected option. And you confirm your choice by using the power button. So in this case, you want to select connect with MI Assistant and confirm by pressing the power button. And then of course we can connect our phone to our computer. I believe most of the time Xiaomi smartphones and POCO and Redmi smartphones require you to have a software on your computer in order to actually be able to use the download mode, but this is how the download mode looks like on this phone. If you want to exit it, you just have to press and hold the power button, and you want to keep holding it until this screen disappears. So it takes like, I believe, 7 seconds or so to make it disappear. After that, you want to release the power button, and you just have to wait for the phone to turn back on. In case you actually go back to the recovery mode, yeah, so there we go, you will most likely go back to the recovery mode. You just want to select reboot option, so most of the time just press the power button, and then once again, in order to once again restart the phone, but this time it should go actually back to the normal mode. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.